What is the process for dropping off Amazon returns at a UPS access point?
Hello viewers, today we are going to explore a very common query: how to drop off Amazon returns at a UPS access point. It's simpler than you might think, and this video will guide you through each step of the process, so let's get started.
Initiating a return on Amazon.
The first step of the process is initiating a return on Amazon. 1. Log into your Amazon account and navigate to the Your Orders section. 2. Find the order that contains the item you want to return, and click on Return or Replace Items. 3. Select the item you wish to return, specify a reason for the return, and choose the return method as UPS drop-off. Make sure to also select a nearby UPS access point as your drop-off location.
Preparing the item for return.
Once your return has been initiated, it's time to prepare your item for return. 1. Pack the item securely in its original packaging, if possible, or in a suitable alternative. 2. Print your return label. Amazon will provide this in your return confirmation. 3. Attach the return label to your package. Make sure it's clearly visible and securely attached. Remember, packing the item securely and properly attaching the return label is crucial to ensure your return is processed successfully.
Dropping off your return at a UPS access point.
Now that your return is packed and ready to go, you can drop it off at the UPS access point you selected earlier. 1. Visit the selected UPS access point during its business hours. Make sure to bring along an identification document if needed. 2. Give your package to the UPS representative. They will scan your return label and give you a receipt. Always keep the receipt until your return is fully processed and your refund is issued, as this serves as your proof of return. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily and confidently return your Amazon purchases at any UPS access point. We hope this video has been helpful. Remember, each return is unique, so always follow the specific instructions provided by Amazon for your return. Until next time, happy shopping and hassle-free returns.